Welcome to Ngo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Marumo Gallants 1. My brother, kunjani?
Ikona kunjani Ncobo?
Siyaphila man. Uzwa kanjani igame namhlanje?
Igame namhlanje Ncobo, I'm so disappointed igame namhlanje. Ngoba iChiefs it was having 3 clear chances ukuthi ikore just to bury the game. It was another, that was a chance land penalty, then a totally chance for Serino. Marumo Gallants ngayithe iphaphama ibe ungu 3-0. And Chiefs the way edlale ngakhona and has money, and we needed the win le yanamhlanje because yabona I game ya Saturday crucial bekufanele ukuthi vele xa bethola le win yanamhlanje yona ivele bizawuba essential at least babeza switch on bizaba motivator ukuthi sikhona udlala kahle Saturday singeza apha kodwa I plan yokuthi le team yase Angola silento kanjani the way enibone ngakhona namhlanje ingathi ayikho plan yayo kulento because yabona xa bebethe le team le Marumo Gallants vele bizabanikeza enye lento ibiza moral boost kahle yabona go the way senze ngakhona Chiefs they have to blame themselves ukuthi le because besizixelela ukuthi apha sizile soba supporter the way lento ngakhona and amathuba bawafumene lento bawayeka bona
ingxaki yeChiefs ayikori amagoli amaninzi. That's why most of the time uma iloser iyaluza maybe ngo 2-1 3-1 maybe win ngo 1-0. So that's why namhlanje niye draw. Had you used your chances you would have at least won maybe by 2-1 at least.
Yeah, ngesiwinile ngo at least ngo 2-1 or 3-1 because njengoba ngisitsho ukuthi those are the clear chances. They were supposed to utilize them. Then bithi phaphama ile Marumo Gallants sibe vele sekulate.
Yeah. So going forward ucathi kumele Chiefs yenze njani?
iChiefs ingathi andazi ukuthi kufanele ukuthi yabona sense of agency ngitsho noba sesithwa ilento iya relax iChiefs ngitsho sewubona ukuthi vele live ngu-0-0. I just remember igame bekufanele vele singede kwi top 8 yePulukwana City besilanga 24 zikambe uthola ukuthi there's no sense of agency abazixelele bacela ukuthi ibhola ba round and bathanda uyidlalela emuva ixesha elininzi ayikho lento ndiyabulela
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngo2010sharpeye.com.